integers are negative and positive whole numbers including 0. An example of integers is the number line. Now we are going to do some examples of adding and subtracting integers. Now for the first example, we're going to use circles to actually represent the numbers. So we're going to use a green circle to represent the positive numbers and a red circle to represent the negative numbers. So for question 1, where we have 7 minus 3, we're going to represent the 7 units. It's positive, the 7 is positive, so we're going to represent the 7 units using green circles. Now for negative numbers, we're going to represent it using red circles. So it is -3. So we have 3 circles. Now what we're going to do next is to cancel one by one and see what we're left with. Alright, so 1 green, cancel, 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 cancel. So here we're left with 4 units. So therefore the answer for this question will be +4. We move on to the second example and we're going to follow the same procedure. Alright, so the first number, it starts with a negative number. So it is -5. Always remember that the sign belongs to the number to the right. So we have positive here, it belongs to the number to the right, so this is +7. Anytime we see an operation, it belongs to the number to the right, so this is -5. So to represent the -5 units, we're going to draw 5 circles. Now to represent the +7, we're going to draw 7 circles. And we're going to follow the same procedure to find our solution. So we cancel 1, 1, cancel, 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 cancel. So our final answer here, we see that we're only left with 2 and it is +2. Now, based on the 2 examples that we have covered so far, we can see that the sign will always take the place of the larger number, the larger unit. It doesn't matter if it is positive or negative when we're doing addition and subtraction of integers. Alright, so let's see if we can go to example C. Now, for example C, which is 4 minus 9, so we have 4 units, 4 positive units. If we don't see an operation, therefore the number is positive. So what we're going to do now is to represent the 4 units, the 4 positive units. So we're going to draw 4 green circles. Now, as we said before, the sign belongs to the number to the right. So for -9, we're going to draw 9 circles. And all we have to do now is to cancel. So 1 positive takes out 1 negative, 1 positive again, take out 1 negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So here we see that we are left with five red circles, and we know that the red circles represent negative. So our final answer here is -5. So we can see the bigger unit, the answer will always take the place. The answer will always take the place of the bigger number, or the sign will always take the place of the bigger number. Sorry. Now we move on to D. Same example here when we have 8. So we're going to use circles to represent the 8 units, 8 positive units. And then we use red circles to represent the 6 negative units. And all we're going to do now is to cancel. So 1 positive goes to 1 negative, cancel, 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 cancel. So we are left with 2 green circles. So therefore we know that this is +2. So the sign will always take the place of the bigger number.